How to make a battery rack so you can store them in your car. So that's the car I'm gonna store them in, and I think I'm gonna put them just like that. They're gonna be like that, laying one on top of each other like that, just a little bit spaced up on top, right in here, right in this little spot. So the excess battery is gonna be right here, and the kinetic one is gonna be up here. It's gonna barely fit in there, but should be able to do it. I'm gonna clean all of that, and then I'm gonna be making this. It's the same process as if I've been showing of getting some cardboard right over there, and just tracing it out and slowly build into it. And then once you have a template, you cut it out, and then I'm gonna be showing how I secure it to this, and it should be nice. All right, I'll show you all the process. Let's go. So I've got in my shape, as you can see right there. It's really good. Now I'm gonna transfer this into actual wood. I think I'm gonna use 3/4. That's what I got. So 3/4 inch wood, some MDF. So I ended up having some 1/2 inch. So I'm using. That's what it's supposed to be like, but I guess it's not fitting in there. But I'll make it fit. I'll sand it down. Or if it's like this, just sand it down until it fits in there. See you in a bit when I made it fit. So as you can see, I'm putting them in like this. I'm putting in spacers so I can put it on top of this and screw it onto this. So what I'm doing is cutting holes, and I have these threaded inserts or whatever they're called, and they go in there. And then this bolt, it goes in there, and it threads in there. So you can see the little threads in there, and that's what's attached. This one's attached already. It's good. So I'm gonna do these two with this little thing right here. So see y'all when I'm done. So as you can see, these are the bolts, and now I'll put in the little inserts already. They're in there, and they go in just like that, and it holds them on there. These don't move anywhere, just like on this one right here. So you can see the bolts in there already, and it's not gonna work. And it's a pretty good way of securing things to your car. But the only thing you really gotta sacrifice is making the hole in your car. But I mean, if you're doing installs, that's what you gotta do. So now that I have it secured, I'm gonna start planning out the little boxes that go around the battery, and also I'm gonna be making the thing that stands up and comes around the battery. But now that I have it secured, I'm gonna countersink these so they're smooth on there. So now what I'm doing is, as you can see, I've gotten these 2-inch pieces. So this is a 7-inch because my battery is 7 inches tall. So that's gonna be right on top, and I'm gonna put another piece of wood like this on top of that battery. So what I did is I cut the 7-inch, so I measured how tall the battery was. Now I'll put this 2-inch spacer so the battery sits on it flush and the battery slides in. After that, I'm gonna be putting threaded inserts on these. Then I'm gonna be putting another one right here to seal it all up. Now, what I'm trying to figure out is how long is this? Just to chop it off in the chop some. So it's about that long. It'll take that long. Now, that's what that is right there. So now I'll grab this square and chop it off right there. So I'm gonna grab the chop. Now that I've chopped it off, that's there. So now what I'm doing, this. Make a couple holes. This goes down. Mounting it. Just that. Now, I'm gonna grab these and then glue them on there. So make sure these are in the straight line where you want it to be. So there. This other one. 7 inches tall. I want it to be about there. Be outside the line. So right there. I'll make a line. So now, once you have it all marked out, you grab these and you glue them on there. So what I'm gonna do now, place this piece right there. So grab these. And a half, so that should be stuff like that. Okay, so that should be facing down. This is facing down, so you can get other people to help you build, and you glue it on there. So I'll see you when I glue them on there. It's not totally completely covered, but it's on there and it's lit in perfect. No movement at all. Now this one is gonna go up here, and I'm gonna be making a same as this bottom one, 1/2 inch. I'm making a cover up here, just to cover up to right here. So from right here to right about here, and be test fitting it in there. So check it out. As you can see, that is coming out perfectly. This is just about this height. Now I want to measure one up top, so I've been putting one up here, one up here, then the extra battery will go right here. And as I told you, that one's gonna have threaded inserts, and I have some threaded inserts that are gonna go in here, so that's gonna be that. So this little plate could be detachable, so we can slide the battery out without taking everything apart. That's how it is. And since the back, it doesn't need a bag. I would do a bag, but since it already hit some places, it's already there, so I wouldn't need a bag. But I would suggest putting a bag for sure. I would suggest putting the bag. If your car has it, just put a bag, please, so it doesn't move around. But yeah, now we're gonna repeat the same process for the one up here. See y'all when it's done. So as you can see, that's good enough for that. So I'm telling y'all, put these threaded inserts in like this. And then put it on threaded insert like this. So that's there. Now these are able to bolt on there, so these on there. And that bolts on there. And that holds it from getting out. So then the battery goes obviously in here. It's just supposed to slide in, which it does. So that's how it's supposed to be, and this is gonna be going on top. So now I'm gonna be doing the other side. I'll be doing this exact same thing and putting this on top. Bolting it on. See y'all in a bit. So that's how it looks like out here. Looks really nice. Now we're gonna fit it in. So as you can see, I finished wiring it up. Something simple, just so I can have something playing right now. But all this wiring is gonna change in the next videos. But as you can see, the amp rack, a little bit of space in there to put in something. And as you can see, these things ain't going nowhere. They're staying there. Now what I am gonna do next time, I'm gonna put it behind where I didn't put nothing right here. I'm gonna put a piece of wood back there. Once I take it all out and put it back in, I'm gonna put one in the back just so it's safe. Just a little one, just like about this much, so it doesn't go any back. And then on these, I'm gonna put a little bit of foam so it doesn't, from the back and the front, so it doesn't make too much noise. But yeah, that's how it's looking right now. Check me out in the next video. It's coming up soon, where I'm gonna be starting to make the rails, these rails for the box. And let me know if you want a time lapse of me taking all of this wires out, all of this taking out. Let me know in the comments. Thank you.